Hi viewers, welcome back. Today I'm going to work on this vehicle. The problem of this vehicle is that the airbag light is appearing in the dashboard and also horn is not working. For solving the problem of the airbag light and the horn, I am going to replace this clock spring. So please be with me. I will let you know how to replace this clock spring. Here one bolt is here and one bolt is here. I remove from here and this Allen key. We need to remove this Allen key. After this we remove this area. Same is the here. And same we remove the other side. This is here. Okay, and after we pull this one out like this. Here are two connectors. Okay, we will push this lock. Remove this one. This lock we remove from here. This lock from this side and this lock from here. And this lock we remove this lock like this. After we remove so in this way you can see from here. Okay, we remove this one. This one is a free. We remove this one. After we remove this bolt, okay, we remove this bolt and this steering. This steering will come out. This 19 socket, we use this open one. Okay, we already have opened. Already open it. After this nut will open. So here and one hand put here and we pull outsides. Okay, I have removed these two screws. One screw is here, one screw is here. We remove these screws. After downside have the lock, so we will open the lock and this will remove. So first we need these two screws. And one screw is this one. In this way. So we have lose this one cover. Okay, so now we can easily, you can see one lock is here, downside one lock is here. Okay, so we remove this lock. One lock is here and one lock is this one here, this side. Okay, this lock. Okay, one lock is here. This one we have removed like this, pull little down, after put back, and one lock is here. There are three lock. One lock is here. Okay, here are three lock. So in this way we can easily take out the clock spring. Okay, so here you can see here are further two connectors. One is a yellow and one is a black. So we remove these connectors, or our clock spring will become free. And now after it I will fix the new clock spring. So I have removed the old one. Now I am going to fix this new one. So here you can see I have fixed the connector back. Now I fixing this one here like this. This lock is come to here. This lock fixed to this area. This is the third lock will come to here. So I just is not a difficult. Just I push it. Just I push. Okay, in this way. Now three lock as a fixed. This is connector is fixed. Now I fix back this one. I just this one like this. Okay, this when fixing, after this pull like this, finish. Now his lock is here. Okay, fix back this 2 bolt here. Okay, this bolt fix after I put the steering. So you can see I have fixed this screw back, this fix back. After now I will fix my steering here. Will like here. This connector will come out from here like this. Okay, you can see my steering is like this. I just fix back it, fix nut, then after I show you a fix nut, fix it properly, fix this nut, then I let you know. I am going to stop video here. So because I have tied this bolt and I'm going to fix this assembly back. So here you can see not difficult, just this while this connector I put it here. Okay, its lock will come upside. So we fix this connector. This connector is for horn. This is a horn. This connector is for horn, and this is for a balloon. Okay, this is for the balloon. So this one we fix here. Put clearness near. Connector is a little. Okay, finish. My work is a finish. Okay, now we can fix it here. Okay, now is it proper fix. Now you can see horn. You can hear the sound of horn. It's mean my problem is a finish. This will tight this bolt this side screw, and this side also will fix it. Then I will check my balloon warning has gone or not. And I have tied this bolt back. Okay, so now I'm going to fix this cover. Fix it. It's inside. Okay, and this one finish. Okay, and same this one we put other side. So as you can see both side this cover and also this cover has finished. My work is finished. Now I'm going to on the machine. So here's all things I have fixed back. Now I'm going to put my key inside and going to check on the machine. So viewers, you can see there is no more airbag light is there. Okay, so my problem has solved. So here is no airbag light is not here. Horn is also working. So my problem is finished. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, share this video to your friends.